What's up? What happened?
Again, because I
Are
don't
you guys
even know
gonna
who
say?
it
I don't like. I'm done with like all of my tasks, so there's nothing I literally can do. I can't do anything besides like look around for people.
I don't know who it is.
So like, I don't know who it is either, and like nobody's talking. So
So I'm just skipping.
oh wait, it's
Be good, okay?
okay. It's literally Yara. So basically, I was walking around, and then as soon as like right before the lights went off, Yara like stopped, and then she like stopped, or like whoever stopped. Yara stopped, and like the lights went off right after. So like that's really suspicious.
I'm done with all my tasks, so I think it's her too. So I'm
Yeah,
gonna
me too.
vote.
Like, yeah, like I'm just like saying, I don't know if it's true or not, which is probably isn't. But I swear, like exactly when the lights turned off, Yara like she's before that she stopped. So like I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but like I just saw that happen. If it's not Yara, then you guys can vote me out. Like, but I swear.